I'm trying to figure out who I have to invoice extra hours or who I need to work for to get more hours. So I want to know the difference between hours worked and hours paid. So I'm going to go to my D3. I'm going to say paid minus worked. And this is how many hours I have left. I can center this as well. But I want to clearly see, like, do I need to invoice these people who are negative hours? So I want to turn that red. So I'm going to highlight the whole column go up to Format, Conditional Formatting. And in the D column, I can set format rules. For right now, I'm going to say greater than 0. And the text, I actually just want to change to green, and the fill color, I want none, maybe a darker green. I'm going to click done, and then while still highlighting this, I'm going to add another rule, and the format cells if less than 0. And here I'm going to change the text to red and the background to none. I'm going to click done, and there I have negative numbers are red and the positive numbers are green.
You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.